Let us try to create an animation. We are going to make an animation that a car drives across a field. For that, you have to follow these steps. Create a new Flash document. In the timeline, you can see layer 1. Rename it as background. Draw 2 rectangles in stage. Upper rectangle should be filled with blue color and bottom with green. Now, add a new layer in the timeline and name it as tree. Use the rectangle tool in the object drawing mode to draw the trunk and give it a brown fill. Use the oval tool to draw a circle overlapping the top part of the trunk. Give it a dark green fill. Use the select tool to change the shape of the circle into any shape you want for the tree. Now, lock the background. Select rectangle trunk and circle. Click the Modify menu and select the Group option. Right-click the tree and select the Convert to Symbol option in the context-sensitive menu. In the dialog box that appears, name the symbol Tree Symbol and choose the type Graphic. Select the symbol in the library and drag it onto the stage. New tree is inserted in the stage. In the timeline, add a new layer. Name it Car. Use the pen tool to select the anchor points marking the car's boundary. Use the Select tool to reshape the lines to form the car's body. Give the shape a red fill. Using the Oval tool, draw a circle in the object drawing mode. Give it a white fill. Draw 2 lines, one horizontal and the other perpendicular across the circle. Using the Select tool, select the circle and the lines. On the menu bar, click on the Modify menu and select the Group option. We now have to define the wheel's circular motion. To do this, first we need to convert it into a symbol. Right-click the group and select the Convert to Symbol. In the dialog that appears, give the name Wheel to the symbol and select the type Movie Clip. Double-click the wheel symbol in the library panel. The symbol's unique stage and timeline appear in the workspace. Using these, the symbol can be animated independent of the rest of the elements in the stage. Insert a keyframe at the 5th frame. In the Modify menu or the menu bar, click Transform and select the Rotate 90 degrees clockwise option in the sub-menu. Similarly, insert keyframes at the 10th, 15th and 20th frames, rotating the wheel by 90 degrees each time. Next, tween the motion. Return to the main stage by clicking on the Scene 1 button in the Edit toolbar of the stage. We need one more wheel for the car. Click on the wheel symbol in the library panel and drag it onto the stage to create a new instance of the animated wheel. To animate the complete car, we have to first group its various components. Select the car shape and the 2 wheels. Select Modify, Group. Now the 3 different graphic objects behave as a single object. Right-click the group and select Convert to Symbol in the context-sensitive menu that appears. Give the symbol the name Car and the type Movie Clip. Double-click the image preceding the name of the car symbol in the library. The unique stage and timeline of the symbol opens in the workspace. Insert a keyframe in the 20th frame. Move the car to the right end of the stage. Select the name of the layer in the timeline and in the Property Inspector. Define tween as motion. Test the movie. Save the document. Select the File menu and click on Publish. You can see a file with extension .swf. Open it. See your animation.